Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are visiting very interesting place that is Anza Borrego in California. So stay tuned guys because this vlog's gonna be interesting. Welcome to Anza Borrego Desert State Park, California's largest state park, covering over 640,000 acres, located in eastern San Diego County. This breathtaking park is a nature lover's paradise. As you explore the park's vast and diverse landscape, you'll discover a unique blend of desert flora and fauna, including iconic Joshua trees, majestic palm oases, and an incredible array of wildlife. Whether you're a hiker, camper, photographer, or simply a nature enthusiast, Anza Borrego Desert State Park has something for everyone. Join me as we explore this incredible park and discover its natural beauty, unique features, and endless adventure opportunities. As you drive, the scenery unfolds like a canvas of contrast, from the arid desert expanses to the sudden burst of vibrant color from the ocotillo and cholla cacti. Keep an eye out for the park's iconic landmarks, including the towering Santa Rosa Mountains and the sweeping Badlands of the Carrizo Badlands Overlook. व्यूवर्स, जैसा कि मैंने बताया, हम विज़िट कर रहे हैं एंजा बोरेगो स्टेट पार्क जो कि मौजूद है कैलिफोर्निया में। और यहाँ पर आप देखें, बहुत ही खूबसूरत दिलकश यहाँ पर पहाड़ों के मनाजिर आपको देखने को मिलेंगे। Take a moment to stop at the many scenic viewpoints and trailheads, each offering a unique perspective on park's natural beauty. From the point overlook, gaze out upon the breathtaking panorama of the Borrego Valley, while the Galita Meadows viewpoint offers a glimpse into the park's fascinating geological history. As we explore the park, we'll take in the stunning views from various lookout points, including the Fawn Points, a breathtaking viewpoint overlooking the Borrego Valley with the Santa Rosa Mountain as a backdrop. Anza Borrego is home to an incredible array of wildlife, including bighorn sheep, coyotes, roadrunners, etc. Embark on a visually stunning journey through the heart of Anza Borrego Desert State Park on this spectacular scenic drive. As you wind your way through the park's unique landscape, you'll be treated to majestic mountain vistas, surreal desert landscapes, and an incredible array of wildlife. After taking in the breathtaking views on the scenic drive, we have arrived at Anza Borrego's Desert State Park, which is located in California. This incredible park offers a unique blend of desert landscape and majestic mountain. The Anza Borrego region has home to several Native Americans. These tribes have lived in harmony with the land for thousands of years, developing a deep understanding of the desert's unique ecosystem and natural resources. Throughout the park, you can find numerous archaeological sites, including mortieros, pictographs, and petroglyphs. These sites provide a glimpse into the lives of Native American people who once inhabited this land, showcasing their art, spirituality, and daily life. For the Native American tribes, Anza Borrego is more than just a park. It's a sacred place that holds great cultural significance. The land is imbued with spiritual energy, and many of the park's natural features are considered sacred sites. Today, the park works closely with local Native American tribes to preserve and protect these cultural resources. As we conclude our journey through the Indian history of Anza Borrego, we're reminded of the importance of respecting and preserving our cultural heritage. By acknowledging and honoring the Native American history of this land, we can gain a deeper appreciation for natural world and our place within it. One of the best ways to experience Anza Borrego Desert State Park is by spending the night under the stars at one of its many campgrounds. The park offers lots of campgrounds where you can spend the night and enjoy this beautiful place. For better understanding, these beautiful bushes and plants are being named so you can easily identify them with what kind of species they are. At a visitor center, you can find a lot of information about this park, and you can also find yourself souvenirs. So this was my today's vlog on Anza Borrego State Park, California. I hope you guys have enjoyed my vlog. Make sure to subscribe my channel and give a big thumbs up. See you next time with another vlog.